my name is Susan Dunley and I am Programme Lead for J&J STEM Academy. J&J STEM Academy is an outreach programme that has been designed for students from the age of 5 upwards. The goal of the STEM Academy is to encourage students to explore the wonders of science, technology, engineering and maths in a fun-filled and interesting way. We have just completed a 2-year pilot outreach programme in 3 local schools, who all got to complete full rotations of our main outreach programmes, Dot and Dash Robotics, Lego Mindstorms and 3D printing. Now we are ready to launch Virtual STEM Academy. What this will include is a complete taped bank of lessons for all our outreach programmes, a programme playbook including all our lessons, train the teacher tutorials and of course ongoing online assistance. We look forward to bringing you on this amazing journey.
Hi, my name is Gary Clerkin and I'm the Global Leader for Engineering, Science and Technology for DePuy Synthes, which is part of the Johnson & Johnson family of companies. And we design and manufacture a wide range of orthopedic products for knee, hip, spine, trauma and sports injury. We're delighted to have you join us on this exciting learning journey about the world of STEM. STEM is really important as every part of our lives are influenced directly or indirectly by scientists, technologists, engineers and mathematicians. From leading edge medicines to medical devices and consumer technology, they all would not be possible without STEM. The aim of the Academy is to encourage STEM exploration through hands-on, multisensory and creative experiences, support how children engage in the world in ways that promote learning related to STEM, increase diversity in those eventually choosing a STEM career, but most importantly, having fun with STEM. By engaging in these experiences, young children develop inquisitiveness, critical thinking, and problem-solving capabilities. This program is really important to J&J as it's the foundation for future generations of scientists and engineers to deliver life-changing innovations and better outcomes for patients. Enjoy the journey.
I definitely did enjoy the J&J STEM Academy at our school last year because it was something I would look forward to every Friday in school, and I loved controlling the little robots Dash and Dosh. And what made it so interesting was that STEM stands for science, technology, engineering and maths, but it didn't even feel like you were doing maths or science. It was so fun.
Hello, I would like to have a career in STEM because it will be beneficial for me in many ways. Everybody wants to make a difference to win the future. The only way to do that is to innovate. Innovation leads to making new things that can affect the society. STEM education is a critical component in getting most jobs. STEM is very important because it is everywhere in our daily lives. We use science, technology, engineering, maths on a regular basis. For example, when fixing up a coat hanger with the instructions or counting your change when buying something. So as you can see, STEM is very handy. STEM careers are exciting jobs. With every path you take, you have a chance to make a change or innovate. That is why I want to have a STEM career. Thank you.
My favorite Johnson & Johnson STEM experience was how the dots were so playful and how they could do whatever you want. Dash is the one that can move around, sing and do whatever you like, and Dot is the one that can change colors and talk. They both are very fun to play with. I like the teamwork and how you could have turns with your team, and it was very exciting. Every time we went to the hall, there was always a new experience, like with the cards, like having to change the lights and having them move around and spin in circles. At the end, we had races and I won a couple of times, and it was very fun and enjoyable. Thank you.
I would like to do STEM Academy virtually in my school again because it is interesting to learn, you have fun while doing it, and it shows you another side to computers and technology. I think doing it virtually will be a really good idea because it would mean all students will get a chance to do it.
We're delighted to be part of the Johnson & Johnson STEM Academy. It has generated great excitement and enthusiasm here in the school. Over the past 2 years, the children have been involved in coding, 3D printing, and Lego robotics. The STEM sessions are fun and engaging, and the children have a chance to experiment, be creative, and it also helps them to develop their critical thinking and problem-solving skills. A key message for the children from the STEM activities is that it's okay to make mistakes, and mistakes have a value in that they help us to further our learning and deepen our learning. Here in Sculvreed, we have extended our STEM Academy project to incorporate some peer tutoring. Pupils in the older classes act as mentors for pupils in younger classes, and it's always very exciting to see the children working together. We're really looking forward to the virtual STEM Academy.
My name is Aoife Devlin and I'm a materials engineer. I lead the J&J STEM Academy 3D printing programme. I went to an all-girls school myself, so I've seen the reluctance there can be for girls to engage in STEM subjects. Through volunteering for this programme, I've seen that if an opportunity is provided at a young age, you can spark an interest in both boys and girls and see them engaging in STEM subjects. 3D printing is an emerging technology in a growing field. I think that there will be a lot of future STEM careers in 3D printing, from aerospace and medical devices and pharma products, and even in the food industry. I think it's important to get engagement in STEM as early as possible, and my involvement in this programme has given me an opportunity to see firsthand how an interest in STEM can grow and opinions can be changed if the right opportunity is provided.
My name is Noreen Ryan and I'm a staff automation engineer in Dupuy Synthos. I got involved in the STEM Academy as a way to engage with young students to educate them on STEM subjects through fun and using their imagination. During the course of the programme, you get to see the kids' knowledge increase, and it's fantastic to see the joy in their faces when they resolve a problem. The programme itself has evolved over the years, from the local classroom to a school in Kenya, and most recently the virtual classroom. It's great to see the kids using day-to-day examples of learning STEM rather than just reading about it in a book. Personally, it's very exciting to be part of a programme that is preparing the kids of today to be the innovators and inventors of the future.
What STEM Academy has given us is the chance to turn critical thinking into both empowerment and employment. For the girls at the Weiser School in Muhuru Bay, using STEM Academy and the Lego Robotics program has been a blast. It's been an educational experience that allows them to have hands-on critical thinking time and build their interest in STEM fields, which is critical in a country and indeed in a world where women are underrepresented in STEM. Also in Kenya right now, we're facing a major concern when it comes to youth unemployment, and one of the easiest ways to find work is to move to Nairobi or to a major tech center where you can use your STEM knowledge to find jobs and create a stable family and a stable life for yourself and for those you love. That is what is in the future of these Weiser students who are now a part of the STEM Academy program. So we want to thank you all for having that available to these young women and indeed for partnering with us to make that possible.
Hi, my name is William Nabat and I'm currently a final year master's student in ECD studying material science and engineering. My involvement with the J&J STEM Academy started in May of this year during my co-op internship with the J&J 3D printing group in Dupuy Synthos. I led a co-project where we designed and developed the J&J STEM Academy's virtual future. This involved adapting and developing programs to make them more suited to online learning, and also developing a prototype virtual tour of the Depuy Synthesis campus to help to expand the range of programs offered by the J&J STEM Academy. Since finishing my co-op at the end of August, I've continued to work alongside the J&J STEM Academy as I developed a new program with UCD Formula Student, which ties in with their educational outreach programs. We created the Energy and Electric Vehicles course, which will be delivered by UCD Formula Student and introduces students to the topics of energy, renewable energy and electric vehicles. I've really enjoyed working with J&J and the J&J STEM Academy, and I'm really excited to launch our new programs in the new year. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sonali. I'm happy to design new lessons for ProBots which take the application of the B-bots to the next level. Altogether, my experience volunteering for the STEM Academy has been very enriching, and I'm looking forward for the kids to take benefits of these lessons.
The work Johnson & Johnson do also extends to the development of new talent. Students enter J&J through programs such as apprenticeships, graduate programs and development programs, with the opportunity to take part in the J&J STEM Academy initiatives, allowing students to give back to the communities that fostered their initial STEM interest.
What I really like about my role here in Johnson & Johnson is how diverse and fast-paced it is. So every day is different. You come into work thinking that you could be doing one role, and it's always changing, it's constantly evolving.
We have an OIGA event and we get to network with other people in the company and share experiences and stories, and that's something I really like about J&J.
I think the work-life balance here is brilliant because they provide gym facilities for you. They also do lots of charity work, different things you can get involved in. For example, I was involved in the Junior Achievement Programme. You go out to schools and you do science experiments with them, and the kids love it as well, so that was really enjoyable.
Coming from college, it's really easy kind of get blinded by all the opportunities, but Johnson & Johnson ticks all the boxes with regard to networking, future careers, and it builds you as a young professional in the workplace.
Hello, my name is Kate Scally and I am the Programme Lead for the LEGO Robotics Primary School Outreach Programme here at the J&J STEM Academy. I am in my second year of the graduate programme here at Johnson & Johnson, and I've been involved with the STEM Academy since the beginning of it. It has been great to see the students get involved with the course and really enjoy the different concepts that we teach them, such as the basics of programming, robotics, and where robotics can be integrated into everyday society. It has been great to be involved with the process so far, and I'm very excited to see where it goes as the STEM Academy goes virtual.
Here at Depuy Synthesis, we have a world-class manufacturing facility, which is helping people all over the world to keep moving. We are committed to building our workforce from within with some of the brightest and diverse minds in our apprentice program. Using the industry-led manufacturing engineering apprenticeship and the standard electrical apprenticeship, we have been able to introduce training programs into exciting and modern technologies, which allow us to get our products efficiently to the patients who need them. From the long history of successful apprenticeships in our Warsaw, Indiana facility, we have tried to implement these programs across our newer sites. We are proud to have established the first machining apprenticeship program in our Suzhou site in China. Since 2018, over 60 people have received training and are now helping to shape our new manufacturing processes. In our Cork site, we have spent many years working with education providers to create a modern manufacturing engineering apprenticeship, which allows us to upskill apprentices in exciting emerging skills, which are key to the future development of our business. On September 11, 2020, Jamie O'Driscoll became the first programme graduate, completing his apprenticeship in manufacturing engineering while working within the process engineering group in investment casting. Jamie now transitions to a full-time role within this group.
What does my apprenticeship mean to me? It means everything, basically. In my first year alone, I was involved in so much that basically catapulted me out of my comfort zone, and I'm so much better for it. Being the first female apprentice going through Depuy means the world to me.